All right guys, this has a factory matte paint, and then it was fully protected in matte PPF. So this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. Side mirrors are wrapped. Everything has film on it to fully protect it. There are 0 imperfections that I found to notate on this car, given it has just under 500 miles. Gorgeous, gorgeous spec car. And I'll have the window sticker in the photo section so you can see all of the upgrades, because this one is heavily upgraded as far as factory options goes. But checking out the interior, it's absolutely perfect, non-smoker, just under 500 miles. There are just 0 imperfections to notate on this. This car is absolutely perfect. But checking out the interior, just like the driver's side, this side is perfect. It's essentially brand new. Plastics are still on here. This car is an amazing spec.